Welcome to Sendai. Today we are joining the JR bus to Tohoku for a half-day tour to explore the nature and history of Sendai. Passing through a grove of cedar trees, you'll reach our first destination, Zuhoden Mausoleum. The mausoleum is the final resting place of the founder of Sendai, Date Masamune. The gorgeous mausoleum was built with the Momoyama style of 400 years ago, featuring intricate carved sculptures and brilliant golden. Aoba Castle was built by Date Masamune. The statue of Date Masamune on horseback standing on the castle tower base is a symbol of the castle. The site gives you a great and amazing view of the whole city below. There are also a number of shops here selling unique regional souvenirs and craft products. Osaki Hachiman Shrine is a national treasure and is one of the most important Shinto shrines in Sendai. The shrine was built in the typical Gongen-zukuri style of architecture with fully lacquered paws and golden ornaments. The majestic green Zakova trees lining Josenzi Avenue are the symbol of Sendai. When autumn comes, you can also enjoy the beautiful autumn foliage along the avenue.